Hey guys, George at SoundTraxx here, and I know many of you are very familiar with SoundTraxx and our line of sound decoders known as the Tsunami2 and the Econami. But did you know we also have a wide range of accessories and wiring aids to help you install that decoder better into your model? Let's take a look at those now. So first up in our accessories is our speaker selection. Now we have a wide range of different sizes of speakers that help you install the decoder and the speaker into your model without having to make too many modifications. Now with these different sizes, we have a lot of different ranges, including the small 1/2-inch round speaker, commonly known as the 15mm speaker. That's a really nice small size for N-scale and even some tight fit HO applications. We have our 28mm round, which is a 1-inch round, and this is a very popular one that handles up to 2 watts of power. We've got various different round sizes as well. We also have our mega bass line, and our mega bass line are designed to enhance the mid and low range frequencies so that you can really hear that low guttural throat sound in the diesel engines and in your steam exhaust chuffs. We also have a wide range of different oval size speakers that will fit into a range of narrow hood diesels, so even some N-scale stuff if you have the room for it. And then last up is our mini cube speakers, and our mini cubes have been very popular over the last several years. We actually recommend you actually put 2 or more into your model to really help get the sound out of it. And we've got 2 different sizes of the mini cubes. So in addition to the speakers that we have a product line of baffles and gaskets to help you install your speaker into your model more efficiently and more cleanly. So with our round speakers, we have these baffles that are pre-made. Now you can just simply snap all this together and the speaker simply snaps into place, and then you can mount that inside your model. And we have this for the round speakers that we have in our product line. Now also we have our gaskets, and our gaskets are designed to be laser cut and fit the face of the speaker very well so that way you get a nice airtight seal around the edge of the speaker. Now this is for mounting speakers into the floor of a tender or other applications like that where you would drill holes, let's say in the floor of the tender, you would drill holes in the floor, mount the gasket, and then simply mount the speaker in place. Now this is a double-sided sticky adhesive face on the gasket, so it simply mounts the speaker and holds it into place. So that then when you put the tender shell over, your tender shell will act as the baffle, but this will make sure that the air isolated on the one side of the speaker simply goes out of the tender. Now we have a different wide range of sizes that these are fit in, including the round and many of the oval speakers that we have in our product line. And also we have an assortment of heat shrink tubing so that once you make your solder connections, you can slide the heat shrink tubing over, heat it up, and it'll shrink down to give you a nice clean insulated fit. Now next up for you steam guys, I have a Locomotive to tender connectors, and I've actually got 2 different versions. The first of which is our part number 810126, and this is our drawbar connector that was very popular in our K27. So we have extra drawbars here that you can simply install into your model, and you have 9 wires back and forth between the locomotive and tender. Now next up we have what's called our DBX9000. Now the DBX9000 is a 9-wire locomotive to tender wiring kit that's universal. You're going to see 9 different wires that are all black, but they're numbered on the connector and around the circuit board here so that you can identify which wires are going for what purpose. So you can simply plug it in and unplug it as necessary. The hole in the middle is designed for a 256 screw, so you can simply mount it either to the locomotive or to the tender side and then wire the harness in the other side, and then you have a simple, quick, clean connection back and forth. So next up we have our NMRA 8-pin wire connector that you can simply take the wires of your decoder and solder to the 8-pin plugs and then simply plug it into the connector inside your locomotive. Next up we have a 2-wire connector here, and the 2-wire connector is designed for a quick, easy connection between, let's say for example, if you mount your speaker up inside the top of the shell. Well, if you want a 2-wire connector so that you can take your shell and set it aside for servicing, this quick 2-wire connector is a simple, quick installation to help you allow the removal of the shell. Now a couple of other things we have here. One is this 21-pin NEM to a universal type plug-in, so you can use this power harness and simply plug it in, and you can take either of our 21-pin decoders, whether it be the Eco 21P or the TSU 21P NEM. You can take these and make them into a universal style decoder. Now last up, of course, is our current keeper. This is our stay alive module that will help keep your decoder alive for up to about 10 seconds or so if you lose track power while you're running. Now also in our accessories line, we do have some LEDs that you can purchase in 6-packs. Now first up is our golden white LED, and these issue a little bit of a yellowish tone to that white so that you can do those nice steam era lights, or you can do an early diesel era light. Also we have our sunny white LEDs, and this is going to give you a more bright white light out of the LED to simulate more of the halogen type light bulbs that you're going to see on more of the modern locomotives today. Now with SoundTraxx products, we also have a line of mobile non-sound decoders, and we also have a product called the Sound Car that we've talked about in the past. Now this is just a small sampling of all the different accessories and wiring aids that we do have in our product line. So be sure to check out the website at SoundTraxx.com and look at all the accessories and things that we have to help you install your decoder better into your model and to help you give a better, more professional installation.